Welcome. In this video we are going to learn defining methods in Ruby. The first reason that Ruby was selected because it was a language that the Metasploit staff enjoyed writing in it. After spending time analyzing other languages and factoring in past experience, the Ruby programming language was found to offer both a simple and powerful approach to an interpreted language. The degree of introspection and the object-oriented aspect provided by the Ruby were something that fit very nicely with some of the requirements of the framework. The framework's need for automated class construction for code reuse was a key factor in the decision-making process, and it was one of the things that Perl was not very well suited to offer. On top of this, the syntax is incredibly simplistic and provides same level of language features that other more accepted languages have, like Perl. Ruby methods are very similar to functions in any other programming language. Ruby methods are used to bundle one or more repeatable statements into a single unit. Method names should begin with lowercase letter. If you begin a method name with an uppercase letter, Ruby might think that it is constant and hence can parse the call incorrectly. Methods should be defined before calling them, otherwise Ruby will raise an exception for undefined method invoking. Let's open up text editor, type print sample Ruby function. Here I am declaring one function. Every function in Ruby declared by def function and terminated by end function. Let's define simple fun. Type def sample underscore fun a parameter as a. Type print in the function body as Ruby is heart of plus a end. We call the function by function name. Type sample underscore fun Metasploit. Here I am passing Metasploit as parameter. Let's execute it. Sample function Ruby's heart of Metasploit. So that's it in this video on defining methods in Ruby. Thank you for watching this video.